Last time I showed you the basics, but this changes everything. Welcome back to the channel. Gaming Room Setup Part 2 is here, and trust me, you've never seen a setup like this. Stick around because by the end, your wallet might just have other plans. Links are down below. Every gamer knows that silent rage. Cables everywhere, controller missing, headset just gone. Sound familiar? Meet the 3-in-1 PC gaming headset controller holder. One spot, zero chaos. This headset stand doesn't just hold your gear, it organizes your entire identity as a gamer. The built-in controller bracket grips firmly, the headphone hook handles weight without stress, and the cable management channel? Genuinely satisfying. Real talk, the base feels solid, not flimsy like cheaper single-purpose holders. Who needs this? Desk space warriors, streamers, anyone whose setup looks like a crime scene after a session. Compared to basic headset stands, this 3-function gaming organizer justifies every penny by replacing 3 separate purchases. Downside? RGB lovers might want more lighting options here. Upside? Your desk finally breathes again. This isn't just organization, it's reclaiming your space and your focus, one session at a time. Most VR sessions don't end because you're done playing. They end because your neck is screaming and your battery just died. That's not gaming, that's punishment. Enter the DXKK Meta Quest 3S Headstrap with battery mag. This magnetic battery head strap doesn't just redistribute weight, it extends your entire VR experience without interruption. The rear counterbalance naturally centers pressure, eliminating that dreaded front-heavy pull that kills immersion. The magnetic charging connection? Effortless. Snap, play, forget. Who's this for? Long-session VR explorers, fitness gamers, and anyone whose Quest 3S feels like a brick after 20 minutes. Compared to standard foam straps, this elite head strap with extended battery delivers double the endurance with real ergonomic relief. Downside? Slightly bulkier profile than minimalist options. Upside? Hours of weightless, uninterrupted immersion. When your headset stops fighting your body, that's when VR finally becomes what it always promised to be. Your face is on screen every call, every stream, every meeting, yet most webcams still make you look like a blurry afterthought. That stops today. Meet the Emeet Pixie dual-camera webcam. This dual-lens streaming camera doesn't just capture video, it reads the room. 2 cameras working simultaneously mean wider coverage, sharper detail, and zero awkward cropping when you shift positions. The AI-powered auto-framing, it follows you. Naturally, no manual adjustments mid-presentation. Who needs this? Remote professionals, content creators, educators, and streamers tired of looking unprepared on camera. Compared to standard single-lens webcams, the Emeet Pixie dual-camera setup delivers a broadcast-level presence without broadcast-level pricing. Downside? Requires a stable USB connection for peak dual-camera performance. Upside? Every frame feels intentional, polished, centered, professional. There's something quietly powerful about knowing your image finally matches the effort you put into everything else. Lighting inside a PC case isn't decoration. It's the difference between a build that gets ignored and one that stops people mid-scroll. One strip changes everything. Meet the SpecLux PC addressable RGB LED strip lights. These addressable RGB strips don't just glow, they synchronize with your system's soul. Each individual LED responds independently, creating flowing color waves that generic non-addressable strips simply cannot replicate. The magnetic mounting? Invisible, clean, no messy adhesive disasters ruining your careful build. Who's this for? PC builders, modders, and setup enthusiasts who refuse to let their rig look ordinary after dark. Compared to basic single-color LED strips, the SpecLux ARGB lighting system delivers dynamic, software-controlled expression that genuinely transforms case aesthetics.
Downside? Requires ARGB motherboard header compatibility. Check yours first. Upside? Every boot up feels like a personal light show designed specifically for your build. Because a machine this powerful deserves an atmosphere that actually reflects it. And that's a wrap on Gaming Room Setup Part 2. Every single product you just saw is linked in the description below. No hunting, no guessing, just click and build. If this video saved you hours of research, do me one small favor. Hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more builders like you. Got questions about any product? Drop them in the comments. I read every single one. And if you missed Part 1, it's right there on screen. Don't sleep on it. New setup content drops regularly here, so if this is your first time, welcome to the family. Subscribe, stay locked in, and I'll see you in the next one. Build different, build yours.